Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to export transaction history from Nerdwallet. Do you need a copy of your spending history for taxes, budgeting, or just general analysis? Well, here's how to export your transaction history from Nerdwallet in just a few clicks. Start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com and then go to the transaction section from your dashboard. This is where all of your synchronized spendings and income records are listed. Use the filter at the top to narrow down your history by date range, account types, or specific categories. Once you've selected the time frame and accounts view you need, just look for the Export or Download CSV button. Usually you can find that at the top or the bottom of the transactions list. Click it and Nerdwallet will generate a CSV file with all of your filtered transaction dates. This file includes details like dates, merchants, categories, amounts, and of course account name. The download will begin instantly. You can now open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet programs to sort, total, or archive the data however you want. It's perfect for keeping detailed records, sharing with your financial advisor, or just for tracking trends over time offline. Quick, accurate, and always accessible. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that helps you to keep full control of your financial history. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.